Hello and welcome to Mitch Madness. This is episode 2 for the Duster Restoration. Remember to like and subscribe to keep being notified of more cool stuff. In this episode, we're going to focus on finishing the disassembly of the car, cleaning the parts, and media blasting. I'm going to have to go out of sequence chronologically in this episode to be able to show some before and after photos, mostly of the reproductions of the original factory markings. Okay, so more stuff has been removed from the car. Now I'm into cleaning parts and starting to get into getting stuff painted or overhauled. One of my parts cleaning devices was an electric hot plate with a stainless steel bowl. I filled the bowl with Castrol Super Clean and diesel fuel, set it up outside and let it boil. This did a great job on small parts, not only degreasing them, but in most cases it boiled the paint right off of them, almost like having my own hot tank. This was in addition to buying a parts cleaning tank from Harbor Freight, which served its purpose very well. Also, I used a lot of evapo-rust on this project. It works great, but it gets expensive because I found that each time you reuse it, it becomes a little less effective. Also really helpful was using PVC plumbing pipe for soaking long, thin stuff. Just glue a cap on one end, insert the parts, fill the tube with product, and you're set. Guys, always keep in mind the dollar store for a lot of stuff. I bought a lot of cans of oven cleaner that worked great for a gross decon. Also cleaning brushes, containers, toothbrushes, stuff like that. So as of April 2006, the car is completely disassembled. I made temporary front and rear axles so that in conjunction with the wheel dollies, I could roll the car around when needed. I also installed a winch system. I mounted a winch to the back wall of the garage so I could easily haul the car in and out as needed. I power washed everything and it came out real good. The shell looks much nicer and cleaner now. During the process of cleaning the car, I uncovered several cool original markings from the factory. Let's jump way ahead in the project for now so you can see this stuff. Some were stencils and other were hand-painted markings. I photographed these carefully so that I could reproduce them. The tranny even had a 3-digit number hand-painted on it that matches the part number for the correct tranny that is listed in the 1970 Chrysler Parts Manual and also the Chrysler broadcast sheet. There was a lot of blasting done for this project, so let's talk about media blasting a bit. It stinks. It's a really difficult thing to do at home, but it works. You have to be very patient and know that things can go badly at any time. It always seemed like some days would be good blasting days and some would be bad. You need a big compressor, which I don't have. You need a lot of media. I always used aluminum oxide. There are frequent equipment breakdowns and clogs, and there's a lot of cleanup time at the end of the day. That being said, when you have a good day, it's very satisfying when you can look at the pile of parts that you know are going to look like brand new when they're painted. All right, thanks for watching. Starting with the next episode, things will get a little bit more interesting since we'll be starting to restore or replace all of the stuff from the car.